Hey guys, welcome to this video on copywriting and the use of creative copywriting in today's world. Creative copywriting is the art of rearranging words to make things sell better. Copywriting is the act of writing text for the purpose of advertising or marketing. And by the way, copywriters are one of the highest paid writers in the world. So let's talk about the purpose of copywriting. By rearranging the words with the skill set of copywriting, we can attract more traffic, generate more leads, and convert more sales. And we can say that copywriting is salesmanship in text form. In the video ahead, we have mentioned the tips and tricks that you all can follow to create eye-catching sales pages, blog posts, Facebook ads, Google ads, and more. In order for people to take action on what we have written, the first step is to grab their attention by writing magnetic headlines. On the average, 5 times as many people read the headline as they read the body copy. When we have written a headline, we have spent 80 cents out of the dollar. Now this has been said by David Ogilvy, who has been a grandmaster ad man in the 1950s and the 1960s. So we need to give 5 times more attention to the headline than the rest of the content. So without wasting any time, let's talk about the ways how we can create magnetic headlines to grab the attention of the audience and make sure they read the rest of the content. Asking questions in our headlines can be a great way for people to engage with our content. Example 1. Do you want to build a snowman? Read this guide first. Example 2. Think you know SEO? Quiz yourself and find out. Asking questions is a great way to play with human psychology because we as humans are very curious to know the answers to all the questions. So asking questions in a headline is a good way for the audience to engage with our content and share it with the people they know. The next tip is to use the 5 W's in our headlines to engage with the audience. These engaging interrogative words are used to gather information. By using them in our headlines, we can articulate our readers for the kind of information we intend to provide. The 5 W's include who, what, when, where, and why. For example, how to start a business from home when you are on a tight budget. Example 2, what are the 7 best warm-up exercises to lose weight at home? Example 3, lost your job and don't know where to start? Click on the link below to find out the best HR consultants in your area. So these were the few examples to show you guys how we can use the 5 W's in our headlines to grab the attention of the audience and they would love to engage with our content. Moving ahead, once we have hooked the attention of the audience, it is important to turn that attention to interest. We need to really get the attention of the users in the first paragraph or else we'll lose them. The best way to engage users is to provide them with fresh information that would give them value in some way. For example, comparing 5 products and sharing your views on which one suits you the best. It is preferred to avoid too much information because effective copywriting tells your audience what you need to know to act and make a purchase or how to contact you for more information. Moving ahead, the next part is to create desire in the audience head and engage them to our content so that they can know what it is about. Creating desire is to arouse the reader's emotions by describing how the product or the service will enhance their life. And also, the content should be engaging enough for the readers to make a purchase. The final stage is to provide a call to action to the readers, which is usually buy, download, click, or subscribe. Providing the right landing destination is very important to get conversions. So in the end, these are all the tips and techniques which you can use to polish your copywriting skills and to find the right emotion for your audience. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you found the content meaningful, please subscribe and share our channel and stay tuned for new videos every week. Peace.